song is original song by Celine Dion, and we're going to have a rendition in it titled Because She Loved Me, Because He Loved Me, Because Pray loves Lori. Antok na siya. Game! For all those times you stood for me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrongs that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I find in you. Be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who's always through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best that was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you